There will be plenty of times when you need to view the packages in your project. And there's a couple different ways to do this. One, you could manually browse to the projects folder. Two, you could go to Sublime, Preferences, Browse Packages, and that's going to open that specific packages directory within Finder. And now you can see every plugin that you install through package control will be contained here. Another way would be to create something like an alias and add it to your bash profile. On the Mac, the path to the packages directory is within Library, Application Support, Sublime Text 2, Packages. So if we want to save this to an alias, we could say alias p for packages, name it whatever you want, and that will be equal to, once again, open, and then I will paste in that path. So now, whenever you need to view your packages directory, you just type p or whatever alias you assign to it, and now that's open. So if you ever come across a plugin that you want to install and it's not available through package control, likely it will be on GitHub and they will tell you add this to your packages directory. So you bring up the terminal, you type p to open the packages directory, and then you would drag in the folder. Alternatively, what you would do would be to browse to the packages directory and then clone the repo. Let me give you an example. Here is an in-development plugin for Sublime Text called Sublime Zicky. When this is done, this is going to be fantastic, so I highly recommend you keep an eye on it, but it's still, at the time of this recording, very early in development. But if I want to test this out, it's not available through package control. So what I could do is clone it into my packages directory. So assuming I have Git installed, if you don't, that's a whole nother course that we have on Tuts Premium called Git Essentials. But assuming that you do have it, then I could just copy this and then browse to the packages directory, Sublime Packages. And now I will run git clone, and we're going to call that folder Sublime Zicky like that. So now if I open this directory, you'll see that we have downloaded that folder directly into the packages directory. And if you want a quick 30-second demonstration on what Zicky can do for you, if I open this up, I could say, create Zicky buffer, and then you'll be able to do things like, let's go into users, Jeffrey, sites, I hit Command Enter, and now it's displaying a list of all of my folders. So it's a bash replacement that's going to be ridiculously powerful. So now you can see within Sublime Text, I am traversing these folders. So if I want to open up the htaccess file, one more time, Command Enter, now I'm editing that file. And that's about 0.1% of everything that Zicky is capable of. So certainly keep that on your radar.